In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club app not loading. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app update. So launch your App Store or Play Store, type in the app name Sam's Club and search for it. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch your settings. Now check whether you have enough storage in your device or not. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. Ensure you have enough storage. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Likewise, head back. Click on Software Update. If any new updates are available for your device, just update it to its latest version. Next up, you can head back. Then scroll down. Click on the option VPN and Device Management. In case your device is connected to any VPN, proxy, or custom DNS service, temporarily disable it and try opening the app again. Next up, launch your preferred browser, type in Sam's Club server status, head over to the website down detector. Now if you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If not, you can lastly completely delete the Sam's Club app from your device and reinstall it. That's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.